I learned a lot in the 2 weeks I spent here in HeyMath. It helped increase my speed and my accuracy while solving sums. It also showed me that I could have a lot of fun while doing math. I had a lot of fun working in Prime because I learned a lot of things which I never expected I would learn. There were a lot of interesting problems in different topics. For example, I really loved working on logarithms and trigonometry because they offered a variety of difficult problems. I learned a lot in HeyMath. I learned to communicate with other people, and I also learned how to work as a team. I also realized that every seemingly small output has a lot of people working in the input process.